everyone, welcome to Quick Science. This is the last part of the chapter Nutrition in Plants. In this video, we will be learning about how nutrients are replenished in the soil. The word replenished is nothing but refilling. You must have seen farmers adding manures and fertilizers in the fields or in gardens or in lawns, right? Do you know why do they add the soil? It is because when plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil, the amounts of these mineral nutrients in the soil will get declined. Declined is nothing but decreased. When the amounts of these mineral nutrients gets decreased in the soil, we need to add fertilizers and manures from time to time to enrich the fertility of the soil. Hence, farmers add fertilizers and manures which contain plant nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, etc. By adding fertilizers and manures to the plants, we can grow plants and keep them healthy, and also you can fulfill the nutrients required by the plants. Usually crops require a lot of nitrogen to make proteins. In the same chapter, we have learned plants cannot synthesize proteins during photosynthesis, right? It synthesizes only carbohydrates. So to fulfill the nutrient requirement of the plant, we need to add manures or fertilizers to the soil. After the harvest, the soil becomes deficient in nitrogen. Harvest is nothing but yield or crop after one seasonal growth. In the same chapter, we have learned nitrogen gas is available in air in abundance, whereas plants cannot make use of this nitrogen as they can make use of carbon dioxide. So they need nitrogen in a soluble form. Do you know how do they get the soluble form of nitrogen? With the help of a bacterium, plants get nitrogen in a soluble form. The bacterium called Rhizobium, this is very important. The bacterium called Rhizobium can take atmospheric nitrogen and they can convert into soluble form. But Rhizobium cannot make its own food. So, this Rhizobiumbacterium lives in the roots of gram plant, peas plant, moong plant, beans plant and other leguminous plant, for example, groundnut plant, and they provide soluble nitrogen to the plant. So, most of the pulses, that is dals that we use at home, are obtained from leguminous plants. And in return, plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. So by this we can come to know this is an excellent example for symbiotic relationship. The symbiotic relationship which can be seen in leguminous plants are of great importance for the farmers. It is because farmers don't have to add nitrogen fertilizer to the soil in which leguminous plants are grown. Because the Rhizobium bacterium itself converts the nitrogen in air into soluble form. Hence, they don't have to add fertilizers or manures to the soil. As I have already explained you, in leguminous plants, Rhizobium bacterium will be in the soil. It lives in the roots of a plant. This is the enlarged view of Rhizobium bacterium. This Rhizobium bacterium converts atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form and it fulfills the nitrogen requirement of the plant. And in return, it receives food and shelter by the plant. So this association is very important in symbiotic relationship. In this chapter, we have learned plants are autotrophs and few plants adopt parasitic mode of nutrition and saprotrophic mode of nutrition. That is, they derive nutrition from other organisms. So all other organisms are categorized as heterotrophs. Okay guys, this is it for the video. Before winding the video, a quick reminder, there are already 4 videos on the channel for the same chapter. I will provide the link in the description box and also in the I button. Please do watch those videos. I'm sure you will get good knowledge about nutrition and plants. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share these videos with your friends and subscribe to Quick Science. See you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.